Hello learners, we are moving to bank reconciliation statement. In this session, we will study the meaning and need of preparing bank reconciliation statement. We will also study the reasons for difference between balances of cash book and passbook, and we can prepare bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement is a statement prepared to reconcile the difference between the balances as per the bank column of the cash book and the passbook on any given date. Why we are preparing bank reconciliation statement? It is not compulsory to prepare bank reconciliation statement, and a date is not fixed on which bank reconciliation statement is to be prepared. But bank reconciliation statement is prepared from time to time to check that all transactions relating to bank are properly recorded by the businessman in the bank column of the cash book and by the bank in its ledger account. Bank reconciliation statement is prepared to reconcile the bank balance shown by the cash book and by the bank statement. It helps in detecting if there is any error in recording the transactions and ascertaining the correct bank balance on a particular date. There are many reasons for the difference in the cash book and in the passbook balance. These are the differences usually that will come across. Checks issued by the firm but not yet presented for payment. Check deposited into bank but not yet collected. Amount directly deposited in the bank account. Bank charges deducted by the bank. Interest and dividend received by the bank. Direct payments made by the bank on behalf of customers. Dishonor of checks also will result in the difference in the cash book and passbook. Errors committed in recording transactions by the firm and errors committed in recording transactions by the bank will also create difference in the cash book and passbook balance. Let us check one by one all these reasons. Check issued by the firm but not yet presented for payment. When checks are issued by the firm, they are immediately entered on the credit side of the bank column of the cash book. Bank will debit the firm's account when these checks are presented for payment. And there is a time period between the issue of check and being presented in the bank for payment. This may cause difference to the balance of the cash book and passbook. Next is the check deposited but not collected and credited by the bank. When checks are deposited into bank, the firm immediately enters it on the debit side of the bank column of the cash book. That is, it increases the bank balance as per the cash book. Debit side, receipt side, it will show an increase. But the bank credits the firm's account after these checks are actually realized. A few days are taken in clearing of local checks, and in case of outstation checks, few more days are taken for clearing the check. This may cause difference between the cash book and passbook balance. Here is another reason for difference in the cash book and passbook, that is amount directly deposited in the bank account. Sometimes the debtors or the customers deposit the money directly into firm's bank account, but the firm gets the information only when it receives the bank statement. In this case, bank credits the firm's account with the amount received, but the same amount is not recorded in the cash book. As a result, the balance in the cash book will be less than the balance in the passbook. Next is about bank charges, how it is creating difference in the cash book and passbook. The bank charge in the form of fees or commission is charged from time to time for various services provided from the customer's account. Without the intimation to the firm, bank will deduct these bank charges. The firm records these charges after receiving the bank intimation or statement. So there arises a difference between the cash book and the passbook balance. Example of such deduction is the interest on overdraft balance, credit cards fees, outstation checks, collection charges, etc. As a result, the balance of the cash book will be more than the balance of the passbook. Next is interest and dividend received by the bank. Sometimes the interest on debentures or dividends on shares held by the account holder is directly deposited by the company through electronic clearing system. But the firm does not get the information till it receives the bank statement. As a consequence, the firm enters it in its cash book on a date later than the date it is recorded by the bank. As a result, the balance as per cash book and passbook will differ. Direct payments by the bank on behalf of the customers. Sometimes bank makes certain payments on behalf of the customer as per the standing instructions. Telephone bills, rent, insurance premium, taxes, etc. are some of the expenses. These expenses are directly paid by the bank and debited to the firm's account immediately after their payment. But the firm will record the same on receiving information from the bank in the form of passbook or bank statement. As a result, the balance of the passbook is less than that of the balance shown in the bank column of the cash book. Next is about dishonored check or bill discounted. If a check is deposited by the firm or bills receivable is discounted with the bank is dishonored, the same is debited to the firm's account by the bank. But the firm records the same when it receives the information from the bank. As a result, the balance as per cash book and that of the passbook will differ. Error committed in transactions by the firm. There may be certain errors from firm's side like omission or wrong recording of transactions relating to check deposited, check issued, wrong balancing, etc. In this case, there would be a difference between the balances as per cash book and as per passbook. Errors committed in recording transactions by the bank. Sometimes bank may also commit errors like omission or wrong recording of transactions relating to checks deposited, etc. As a result, the balance of the bank passbook and cash book will not agree. Coming to the preparation of the bank reconciliation statement. We have two different main situations with regard to the balances while preparing bank reconciliation statement. These are favorable balances and second one unfavorable balance or overdraft balance. Favorable balance means two situations like debit balance as per cash book is given and balance as per passbook is to be ascertained. Another situation, credit balance as per passbook is given and balance as per cash book is to be ascertained. Next is the unfavorable balance or overdraft balance. Here also we have two situations for cash book and for passbook. One is the credit balance as per cash book, that is overdraft balance is given and the balance as per passbook is to be ascertained. Second situation, debit balance as per passbook, that is overdraft balance is given and the balance as per cash book is to be ascertained. So, starting with the preparation of the bank reconciliation statement, when the favorable balance is given, that is when debit balance as per cash book or credit balance as per passbook is given, take that balance as a starting point like balance as per cash book. Add all transactions that have resulted in increasing the balance of the passbook. and deduct all transactions that have resulted in decreasing the balance of the passbook. Extract the net balance shown by this statement, which should be the same as shown in the passbook. If the balance as per passbook is taken as a starting point, all transactions that have resulted in increasing the balance of the cash book will be added, and all transactions that have resulted in decreasing the balance of the cash book will be deducted. Now extract the net balance shown by this statement, which should be the same as per the cash book. Here is a question with favorable balance. From the following particulars of Messrs. Ananya Industries, prepare bank reconciliation statement as on December 31st, 2014. Bank balance as per cash book is 32,500. So, balance as per cash book, that is a favorable balance. Check deposited but not collected or credited rupees 8,900. Check issued but not presented for payment 12,500. Bank credited 5,000 for receiving dividend. Bank charges debited by bank 400. So, as a note you can prepare in this way. When check is deposited but not credited by the bank, I have prepared 3 columns with particulars, cash book and passbook. So, this is a rough note that you can prepare. When check is deposited, CB means cash book, PB means passbook. When check is deposited, you will show that as an increase in your cash book. So, I have written here plus, and it is not credited by the bank, so it is minus in the passbook, amount 8,900. Then, check issued but not presented for payment. Check is given means cash book balance will be deducted, so I have written minus. In the passbook balance, it is not presented, so their deduction is not made, so there is an increase in the passbook, 12,500. Dividend received. Dividend is directly received in the bank, so passbook balance will show an increase of 5,000 rupees. But in the cash book, we didn't come to know, or the firm didn't come to know, so there is a reduction of the amount of rupees 5,000 in the cash book. Then fourth adjustment, bank charges debited by the bank. Bank has deducted 400 rupees. So, in the passbook, I have shown a minus of 400 rupees. In the cash book, that amount we didn't come to know on this particular date. So, bank charges is not recorded in the cash book. So, 400 rupees is shown as an increased amount, or there is an increase of rupees 400 in the cash book on that particular date. This is the rough sheet you have prepared, and you are starting with the balance as per cash book. So, you have to look into the column of the passbook and do accordingly, then you will get the answer. This is your rough sheet. Here, balance as per passbook 32,500. Check deposited. There are 3 columns in the bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement of Messrs. Ananya Industries as on December 31st, 2014, and with 3 columns, particulars, plus amount, minus amount. Balance as per cash book, you have to write 32,500. Check is deposited but not credited by the bank. In the rough sheet, we have recorded it as minus, so I am writing on the minus amount column. Then check issued but not presented for payment. In the rough sheet, you got an idea. So, check issued. In the passbook, plus it should be increased. Cash book should be increased by that amount, 12,500. So, coming to the plus amount column, you are recording that check issued but not presented for payment. Then dividend received through electronic system. So, dividend received is written in the plus amount column. Bank charges debited by the bank, 400 rupees. It should be deducted. It is shown in the passbook column in your rough sheet as minus. So, I have recorded in the minus amount column. Then you have recorded all items plus and minus amount in the respective column. Find out the difference. So, plus amount column, when you total, you will get 50,000, and minus amount column is having a shortage of 40,700. That will be the balance as per passbook because you are starting from the balance as per cash book, and whenever you are starting from the balance as per cash book, you will reach to a point that is balance as per passbook. One more question for favorable balance. From the following particulars of Messrs. Ananya Industries, same question. Prepare bank reconciliation statement as on December 31st, 2014. Here we are starting with the bank balance as per passbook. This is a favorable balance. Bank balance as per passbook 40,700. Check deposited but not credited. Check issued but not presented. Bank credited dividend through electronic clearing system 5,000. Bank charges debited by bank 400. Here also you will prepare a rough sheet, and here when check is deposited, CB and PB means cash book and passbook. How it is influencing the cash book and how it is influencing the passbook. Check is deposited, cash book will show a plus amount of rupees 8,900, but it is not recorded in the passbook, so minus I have shown in the rough sheet. Check is issued, so that much amount will be deducted from the cash book because you know the firm knows that at that point of time. But only when they are presenting, it will be deducted from the passbook. So right now I have shown a plus sign in the passbook, 12,500. Dividend received by the bank through electronic clearing system. Dividend is received in the bank, so passbook is showing a plus mark of rupees 5,000, increased amount of rupees 5,000. Cash book has not recorded unless and until firm get the information. Bank charges debited by the bank. Passbook will deduct that 400 rupees, but firm has not deducted until and unless they get the information from the bank. So coming to the bank reconciliation statement preparation, starting with the balance as per passbook. So how you can reach to the balance of the cash book, that we have to ascertain. So starting with the balance as per passbook, then in your rough sheet you have to check the column of the cash book. In cash book, plus sign is given for 8,900 and plus sign is given for 400. Minus sign is given for 12,500 minus for 5,000. So you are looking into the cash book column. So here also in the plus amount column I have written 8,900 and bank charges 400. In the minus amount column 12,500 and 5,000 in the minus amount column. So you are starting with the balance as per cash book. Details are given in the particulars column. Check deposited but not credited by the bank. Check issued but not presented for payment. Dividend received through electronic clearing system. Bank charges debited by the bank. Then you have to total both columns, that is plus amount column and minus amount column. Difference you got as 32,500 on the minus amount column, that is the balance as per cash book. We are starting with the balance as per passbook, then you will reach at the balance as per cash book. From the following particulars of Remart Traders prepare bank reconciliation statement on June 30th, 2014. Starting with the balance as per cash book. Rupees 250 charges for credit card fee is debited by the bank which is not recorded in the cash book. Checks for 7,550 are deposited in the bank but not collected by the bank. There was a debit in the passbook of rupees 3,500 in respect of discounted bill dishonored. Here, rough sheet with particulars and cash book and passbook column. Check deposited. When check is deposited, cash book will show an increase. So I have written plus sign. And in the passbook they have not recorded. So minus and amount 7,550. Credit card fee charges debited by the bank. Bank has debited or deducted that amount. So in the passbook minus sign and in the cash book plus sign 250 amount. Discounted bill is dishonored and it is recorded only in the passbook. When the bill is honored, that much increase in the passbook must have occurred. So when it is dishonored, that much amount is deducted. So in the passbook I have written minus sign, but the firm did not come to know that bill is dishonored. So in the cash book plus sign, amount 3,500. balance as per cash book. We are starting with the balance as per cash book. So, see the worksheet. What all things are there in the passbook you are looking and accordingly you are recording. See, minus amount column will be recorded with check deposited but not credited by bank, credit card fee charges debited by bank, discounted bill dishonored recorded in the passbook. After totaling two columns, biggest total will be written and there is a shortage of rupees 24,450 where you have to write in the particulars column balance as per passbook because we are starting with the balance as per cash book. One more question for favorable balance. Bank passbook of Brahm Industries showed the credit balance of rupees 27,350 on July 31st, 2014. The following differences were found on that date between the cash book and the passbook. Check issued amounted to rupees 19,000 has not been presented for payment. Two checks of rupees 5,000 and 3,500 were deposited into bank on July 31st, but the bank gives credit for the same in August only. So, total amount of two checks 5,000 plus 3,500, 8,500. Insurance premium directly paid by the bank 5,000, 2,000 wrongly debited to the firm account by the bank. Prepare bank reconciliation statement as on July 31st, 2014. Check issued but not presented for payment. Cash book we will deduct when check is going from us. Cash book we will show plus sign 19,000. Check is deposited but not credited by the bank. Cash book we will give a plus sign increase. Passbook minus sign 5,000 plus 3,500, 8,500. Insurance premium paid directly by the bank. Passbook minus, that is deduction, cash book increase of 5,000. Wrongly debited by the bank. Passbook deduction minus cash book increase plus 2,000. We are starting with the balance as per passbook. Then we will record, we will check in the worksheet cash book sign minus 19,000 and plus 8,500 like that. See, in the minus amount column we will write 19,000. Then remaining adjustments will be recorded in the plus amount column. And you have to find out the balance as per cash book because we are starting with the balance as per passbook. Total and difference will be the balance as per cash book. Next is the unfavorable balance. Sometimes a businessman withdraws excess amount from the bank account and the closing bank balance of a month is a debit balance. This balance amount is called overdraft balance as per passbook. This is shown in the cash book as a credit balance. Credit balance as per cash book or debit balance as per passbook. The overdraft balance is shown in the minus column of the statement as the starting point and other steps shall remain the same. Here is a question for unfavorable balance. On December 31st, 2014, the cash book of Messrs. Mona Plastics showed the credit balance. Cash book showed credit balance of rupees 6,500 but check amounting to rupees 3,500 deposited into bank but were not collected by the bank. Firm issued checks of rupees 1,000 which were not presented for payment. There was a debit in the passbook of rupees 200 for interest and 400 for bank charges. Prepare bank reconciliation statement. Here, worksheet, particulars column, cash book CB and passbook PB as a rough sheet. Check issued but not presented for payment. Deduct in the cash book. That amount will be deducted in the cash book, so showing minus sign, and in the passbook plus 1,000. Then check deposited but not credited by the bank. When check is deposited, cash book balance will increase, so plus sign. Passbook has not recorded, so minus 3,500. Bank charges and interest charged. That much amount will be deducted by the bank, so passbook will show a reduced amount. Minus 600 in the cash book, so it will be a plus sign. In the bank reconciliation statement, we are starting with the overdraft as per cash book. Overdraft as per cash book. So, we are starting with cash book, then looking into the passbook items in the rough sheet, that is plus 1000 and minus 3500. See, we will write 1000 in the plus amount column, 3500 in the minus amount column and 600 in the minus amount column. Particulars will be written in the particulars column. Then total 2 columns, there is a difference of 9600 in the plus amount column. That will be the overdraft balance as per passbook. We are starting with the overdraft balance as per cash book and ending with the overdraft balance as per passbook. One more question for unfavorable balance. Prepare bank reconciliation statement of Messrs. Ashima Travels from the following information. Bank overdraft as per cash book on 31st July 2014 rupees 45,000. Check issued but not presented for payment rupees 17,500. Check deposited but not yet collected by the bank 9,600. Interest on investment collected by the bank 2,300. Bank charges debited by the bank not yet entered in the cash book 350. So, in the rough sheet, particulars column, cash book column, passbook column. Check issued but not presented for payment. Cash book column will show a minus sign because you are giving the check, you know that. But they have not presented for payment, so in the passbook plus sign. 17,500. Check deposited but not credited by the bank. Cash book plus and passbook minus. Interest collected by the bank. Passbook plus. Cash book minus. Bank charges. Bank is deducting that amount. Minus in the passbook and plus in the cash book. 350 rupees. Overdraft balance as per cash book. We are starting with the overdraft balance as per cash book. Then you will look into the columns of the passbook and you will record. That is plus 17,500 and plus 2,300. See, in the plus amount column, you are recording those items and its explanation in the particulars column, and in the minus amount column, 9,600 and 350. Find the total of both columns, plus amount column and minus amount column, and difference you will get overdraft balance as per passbook, because we are starting with the overdraft balance as per cash book and we will end with the overdraft balance as per passbook. From the following particulars of Neha and Company, prepare bank reconciliation statement on March 31st, 2014. Overdraft balance as per passbook is given 16,500. Interest on overdraft, insurance premium paid, check deposited but not credited, check issued but not presented, wrong credit to the firm account by the bank. Interest on overdraft, it will be deducted from the firm's account, so in the passbook minus sign in the rough sheet. Insurance premium paid by the bank, passbook minus. Check deposited but not credited by the bank. Check is depositing, so cash book plus and passbook minus. Check issued but not presented for payment. Cash book minus and passbook plus. Wrongly credited by the bank. Passbook plus and cash book minus 1,000 rupees. So, we are starting with the overdraft balance as per passbook. See the signs of the cash book and do accordingly. So, 1,600 in the plus amount column. Insurance premium paid by the bank 800 in the plus amount column, and similarly, and after that total plus amount column and minus amount column, you will get a difference. As you are starting with the overdraft balance as per passbook, you will reach at a point of overdraft balance as per cash book. We came to know the preparation of the bank reconciliation statement. We have learned meaning and need of preparing bank reconciliation statement. We have identified the reasons for difference between the balances of cash book and passbook, and we came to know the preparation of the bank reconciliation statement. Thank you.